Making a spicy barbecue biryani at home can be a delightful experience. Below is a basic recipe for you to follow. Feel free to adjust the spice levels according to your preference. Ingredients: 1. 2 cups basmati rice. 2. 500 grams chicken or any meat/vegetables of your choice. 3. 1 cup yogurt. 4. 2 large onions, thinly sliced. 5. 2 tomatoes, chopped. 6. 3 to 4 green chilies, chopped, adjust according to your spice tolerance. 7. 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. 8. Half cup chopped cilantro, coriander leaves. 9. Half cup chopped mint leaves. 10. 1/4 cup barbecue sauce. Use your favorite brand. 11. 2 tablespoons biryani masala powder, easily available in stores. 12. 1 tablespoon red chili powder, adjust to your spice preference. 13. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. 14. 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. 15. Half cup fried onions, optional, for garnish. 16. 4 cups water. 17. 3 tablespoons ghee or vegetable oil. 18. Salt to taste. For barbecue marination: 1. 1/4 cup plain yogurt. 2. 2 tablespoons barbecue sauce. 3. 1 tablespoon red chili powder. 4. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 5. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 6. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 7. Salt to taste. Instructions: 1. Wash the basmati rice under running water until the water runs clear. 1. Soak the rice in water for about 30 minutes. 1. Drain and set aside. 2. In a bowl, mix all the ingredients listed under barbecue marination. 2. Add the chicken pieces or vegetables/meat of your choice to the marination and coat them well. 2. Let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. 3. In a large pot, heat the ghee or vegetable oil over medium heat. 3. Add the thinly sliced onions and sauté until they turn golden brown and caramelized. 4. Add the marinated chicken, or your choice of meat/vegetables, to the pot. 4. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the chicken is partially cooked and the flavors are infused. 5. Stir in the ginger garlic paste and chopped tomatoes. 5. Cook until the tomatoes become soft and the oil starts to separate. 6. Add the chopped cilantro, mint leaves, green chilies, barbecue sauce, biryani masala powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, and salt to the pot. 6. Mix everything well and cook for a few more minutes to let the spices blend with the chicken. 7. Meanwhile, in a separate large pot, bring 4 cups of water to a boil. 7. Add the soaked and drained basmati rice along with some salt. 8. Cook the rice until it's about 70 to 80% cooked. The grains should still have a bite to them. 9. Drain the rice and set aside. 10. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 11. In a large oven-proof dish, layer half of the partially cooked rice, followed by the chicken mixture, and then the remaining rice. Cover the dish tightly with foil or a lid and place it in the preheated oven. Bake for about 25 to 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together and the rice to fully cook. Once done, remove the biryani from the oven. Garnish with fried onions and some chopped cilantro or mint leaves. Your spicy barbecue biryani is now ready to be served. Enjoy this flavorful and aromatic dish with some raita, yogurt sauce, or a refreshing salad on the side.